What you really want when you make a tokenized fund is to access the biggest market possible. There's two key dimensions to that. One dimension is the ability to comply with various legal requirements of the purchaser, right? So the purchaser needs the tokenized fund to comply with various laws in order for them to buy it. That's where a compliant tokenized fund is very attractive. The other problem is the ability to connect to liquidity and other chains, and that is more of a technical problem. Both of these problems are getting successfully solved by Chainlink because you can get a tokenized fund to be compliant by connecting it with existing fund administration services like digital transfer agency, NAV calculation, and other capabilities. So you can take a tokenized fund, you can wrap Chainlink around it, and you can allow it to be compliant because it connects and use the existing system's ways of being compliant. And then once you've made it compliant and once you've made it attractive to a large global user base that can only buy certain compliant on-chain assets, now you need to connect to all the chains and all the places from which they want to buy those assets. That's the second thing that Chainlink provides with CCIP. It's the ability to connect to all those chains and all those sources of payment and all those sources of revenue to properly interact with that tokenized fund, essentially buying it. So you need to make it compliant, you need to connect it to all the chains, and both of these problems are solved by Chainlink.